Hey, it's James Nicholson and I'm on Koh San Road today in Bangkok. Incredible place, one of my favourite places in the whole of Asia. Basically you get a collection of backpackers here and people coming in and out, all sorts of exciting things going on, lots of hustle and bustle, great food, things for sale, and lots of people stay here as well. But I wanted to talk to you today about how to use social media. If you don't have a following, you've got no likes or you've got no followers, and you want to use social media to get customers in your business. Now, if you're in that scenario, then you need to be listening on these social networks. So what you can do is you can use tools like Hootsuite, and you can search for hashtags for things that are relevant to your business, and you can use those hashtags to join in conversations, particularly on places like Twitter and stuff like that. So look out for a tool. It's called Hootsuite. There's a free version and there's a very, very cheap paid version that's around $9 a month. And look for terms in your industry, see what you can find and see what conversations you can join in with and give some value to those people and connect with those people online. And hopefully that will lead to future business. So that's social listening. You can also use those tools to listen for people talking about you, for like reputation management, see if you've got people maybe complaining about your business, or maybe you've got people saying positive things as well, so you can join in those conversations as well. So check out Hootsuite, very good tool. And I'd love to teach you more about using social media in your business, and we do that at an event we run each week called the Internet Marketing Bootcamp. If you click on the link below here, you'll be able to grab yourself a free ticket with limited spaces. We only have small rooms for these events, so click on the link right now, do that and grab your free ticket, and we'll see you guys at the Internet Marketing Bootcamp soon. I'm off to go and get some lunch in Koh San Road. Cheers guys, see you soon, bye bye.